Hi, I am T. Okay, let me introduce Sun Salutation. Sun Saltation or Surya Namaskar in Sanskrit is one of the most complete movements in yoga. It's a sequence that connects breath, body, and intention. Before we move into actual demonstration or instruction, let me explain why this practice is so important.
What is Sun Saltation?
Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskar is a flowing cycle of 12 positions. Each movement opens, strengthens, and lengthens a different part of your body, and each breath guides the transition. It's not just exercise, it's a conversation between your body and your awareness.
Benefits of Sun Salutation.
Sun Salutation works on multiple levels. Full body condition. Sun Salutation improves your strength, flexibility, and mobility. Spinal health. Sun Salutation extends and flexes your spine in perfect balance. Cardio and metabolism. If you practice Sun Salutation continuously, a good number of rounds, it naturally raises the heart rate. Breath control. Sun Salutation synchronizes the breath and movement so that it resets the nervous system. Mental clarity. The repetition of Sun Salutation creates focus and grounding. In a nutshell, Sun Salutation wakes up the entire body of yours, joint, muscle, lungs, and mind.
Why it's vital to master?
If you understand Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation, you understand the foundation of your own movement. This sequence is a root of many yoga flows. And Sun Salutation can be a powerful training tool even outside yoga. When you can move smoothly through the Sun Salutation, your posture improves, your core automatically activates, your breathing becomes deeper, and your body learns efficiency and grace. Mastering this form means you can build any physical practice on top of it, like fitness, martial arts, stretching, or even meditation. Okay, before we move into the demonstration and instruction, remember this: Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is not about perfection. It is about presence. Let your breath lead. Let your body flow. Enjoy the quiet strength that rises through the practice of Sun Salutation. Alright?
Oh, one more thing.
Before we begin, I have to tell you one more thing, right? You will notice that video for this instruction chapter is shown in slow motion, about 0.5 speed. I did it on purpose. I wanted to give you a clear, detailed verbal guidance on every step so you can follow with confidence without feeling rushed. Alright? When you are ready, let's begin the practice together.
Stand in mountain pose Tadasana. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands together in a prayer seal at your chest. Inhale, stretch your arms forward and lift them over your head. Look up and gently arch back. Exhale, bend your body at the waist and reach your hand towards the ground. Bend your knees to make the movement smooth. Then straighten your knees and bring your forehead to your knees. Inhale, lift your head slightly and look forward. Exhale, step your left leg back. Inhale, arch back as you look up. Hold the breath. Step your right leg back, your body and legs into one straight line. Look forward, still holding the breath. Exhale, knees buttocks down, look ahead. Inhale, slide your chin forward and lift it up. Exhale, turn your toes under and lift your hips up. Press the ground strongly with your hands. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Feel the stretch along the entire back side of your body. Inhale, step your left foot forward, right knee down, flatten your right foot, then look up. Exhale, turn your right toes under. Inhale, step your right foot forward, keep your knees bent. Exhale, stretch your knees, bringing your forehead to your knees, then bend your knees again. Inhale, lift your head, torso and arms up, arch back and look up. Exhale, back to mountain pose Tadasana with the prayer seal at your chest. This completes the first round of Sun Salutation. Let's move on to the second round. This time starting with the right side first, and I will bring the speed of the video back to normal.
Now you have reached the end of this Sun Salutation practice. Take a moment to feel your breath and notice how your body responds. Even gentle flow can create a big shift inside you. If you practice it regularly, even just a few minutes a day, your strength, mobility, and mental clarity will naturally grow. I promise. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to share how this practice felt for you. Your feedback helps me create better content, and it also encourages others who are learning just like you. If you have any questions, future requests, or specific movements you want to work on, feel free to write them in the comments below. Oh, anyway, thank you for joining me today. Have a peaceful, energizing day with Sun Saltation or Surya Namaskar. And see you in the next video.